7 interesting olive oil nutrition facts. 1. Healthy fats. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered healthy fats. These fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and promote heart health when consumed in moderation. 2. Antioxidant content. Olive oil contains powerful antioxidants, such as vitamin E and phenolic compounds. These antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. The polyphenols in olive oil have anti-inflammatory effects on the body, which can help reduce inflammation and related health issues. 4. Vitamin K. Olive oil is a good source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. 5. Vitamin E. Olive oil is also a good source of vitamin E, a fat-soluble vitamin with antioxidant properties that helps protect cells from damage. 6. Low in saturated fat. Olive oil is low in saturated fat, making it a healthier choice compared to oils high in saturated fats, such as butter or coconut oil. 7. Calorie content. Like all fats, olive oil is calorie-dense. It contains approximately 120 calories per tablespoon, so it's important to consume it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. These nutrition facts highlight the health benefits of incorporating olive oil into your diet as a source of healthy fats and antioxidants. Remember to use it in moderation and choose extra virgin olive oil for the highest nutritional value.